Yeah, I always did know I wanted to get into the film industry. I think ever since I was really young, I knew to some extent I wanted to be in film. When I was younger, I really liked acting. And then kind of when I discovered behind the camera how much fun it was, I just really got interested in that. And my dad was always interested in filmmaking. His dad was always interested in filmmaking. And so there kind of was always this underlying production kind of side where we would talk about it a lot. We would always watch the bonus features of movies after watching the movie, and I was kind of always exposed to that, and I just thought it was really cool. In Toronto, you can make a career out of doing film, and I was really excited about that. So I looked at a lot of the programs available in Toronto, and yeah, I mean, a lot of the universities offer film programs, but Toronto Film Schools was the most hands-on. It was the most just like pick up a camera and shoot. And I really liked that. As much as, the other stuff, theory, the history to it, it's all great and it's all important. But I was like, if I'm gonna take a program in it, I wanna just actually be learning how to do stuff very hands-on. That's another thing actually that sets Toronto Film School apart, is the instructors are all working professionals, which is so invaluable because they know all the stuff that's happening like to date. Like you're talking about a camera that just came out or something, they know it, they used it because they're actually working in industry, and that's really great. So they have a lot of experience and they know exactly what you're talking about. They know exactly what they're talking about when they're giving lectures. Networking with peers is really important to me because filmmaking is such a collaborative process. You can't really do it by yourself. So having that network in school is a great time to start building your network and start working with peers, other students, the instructors. One of the things I've always kind of wanted to learn was also the business side of film, because if you're gonna be making money in an industry, you need to understand the business for it, right? That was one of the things that I kind of really went and asked a lot of questions about. I asked a lot of questions about unions and how that works, and budgets and grants. And again, because the instructors are working in industry, they know about all this stuff, and they gave me all the answers that I needed. Also, working with people, just in general. When you are directing a project, and you're working with a number of talent, you're working with crew, you're working with a lot of people, it takes a lot to be able to manage everybody in a way that everyone is happy and no one's getting upset at each other or wanting to kill each other on set. You're working with people and you have to perform. They're gonna ask you questions. How do I play the scene? You have to, be directing. You have to be in that moment. And I think that's one of the things, is just the amount of times I did that, I got better at it. I'd like to get better still. But I think, yeah, just that kind of working with people, it's not something you really expect to learn. I'm really, really proud of my time at Toronto Film School, where it's gotten me, and I'm so excited to see where I'm gonna continue to go.